In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's very basic and you only need a few tools. So let's get started. First off, let's open up the trunk. Now we need to take that cover off that's on the side of the trunk there. Alright, so just pull that cover off. Now, first off, let's get that electrical connector out of the way. So we need to squeeze it and then pull it out. So squeeze that and pull it out like that. Now, you see how that works? You just gotta squeeze it. Now, there are 4 nuts over there that we need to take off. For that, we need a small ratchet and 10mm socket. So let's take all the 4 nuts off. Be sure not to drop them over there because then it's very hard to find it. And then keep them safe so we don't lose them. Now the tail light is ready to be taken out. So we're going to grab it and pull it out straight. So just grab the tail light like that. Wiggle it a little bit if you need to. Pull it out straight and out it comes. Now there are 4 bulbs in here. That's the turn signal bulb. That's the tail light. That's the stop light. And that's the side marker bulb. So 4 bulbs in total. For this video, we're going to focus on the turn signal bulb. So that is the turn signal bulb holder there. So to get it out, just twist it left and it just comes right out like that. Now to get the bulb out of the holder there, just twist it left and it will come off. Just like that. Go ahead and go get the new bulb. It's a 2357A. That's the bulb type you need. Put the bulb in, twist it right, and then that's it, you're done. Now we need to put the holder back into the tail light. And this is where it's slightly tricky, but like I'll show you how to do it the right way so that way you don't spend time. So if you just try to randomly put it in there, it won't go in and you'll just struggle with it for like 20 seconds. Instead, what you could do though, seeing how it's sitting flush now, it's only going to do that when the lock text. So there's a text on the taillight says lock, and there's an arrow over there. See that? Right there. Make sure it's aligned. And when the holder is aligned with that arrow there, you just put it in that way. So it sits flush, twist it right, and you're done. Now it's time to put the tail light back into the car. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 holes over there in the tail light, and 5 in the body that we need to align it to. And on the end over there, there's that slot that we need to align as well. So you put that in there straight. And when you're doing this, you want to also keep an eye on where it aligns from inside the car. Alright? So align it, take your time with it. There's no rush. Take a few seconds. Align it. And once you're good, give a bit of a push like that. Let's see what it looks like from inside the car. Align, push now. Okay, done. Now, let's just put all the 4 nuts back in. You can hand tighten them first and then tighten them using the socket and ratchet. Alright, just, you don't have to go crazy tight, just tighten them enough. Let's put the electrical connector back in place. It just goes in one way, so you can't mess that up. Just put that in there and slide it and just push it, clicked, done. Now let's put that cover back on. Again, there's a trick to doing this. Just do exactly how I'm doing it and then it'll be easy. So put the edges in first and then gradually put the flaps on. Alright, and that's pretty much it.